What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It is race day again, day number 2, Virginia NPK. We're down here. We actually got a good spot. We're right at the end of the grandstands down here. So hopefully you guys are coming out. And Kelly is here for fixing set up our t-shirts. We're gonna try to sell some t-shirts that we got. We got some connecting rods. We got a whole bunch of stuff. Randy's back there now changing the oil. Y'all gonna be so proud. We are actually changing the oil this morning. A lot of times I say we're gonna change the oil and we end up not changing the oil, but it did look a lot better. It was a little bit milky. We've got 4 or 5 races on it. I have noticed though, driving the car back and forth in the staging lanes up to make a pass and then back after making a pass, the engine is getting warmer. Still not getting hot. It's like usually 150, 160 degrees when I get back. Now it is cold outside, but the oil temperature is staying up, so it is not getting as milky. It's not getting as much condensation. It's not getting as much methanol in the oil, so that's not necessarily a bad thing. So we might just start driving this thing. Pushing it is nice sometimes. All right, guys, comment, like, and subscribe. If y'all don't mind, go to turbojohnracing.com, grab some hats and t-shirts. We'll see y'all soon. Good morning, Kelly. Are you having fun?
I just got out here.
She just walked out here. We went into Bojangles and we had to fight the crowd getting back in. I hope y'all wish Kelly a happy birthday. It was last week.
And wish John a happy birthday, which is on the 29th.
Ain't that funny?
2 days, 3 days.
Yeah, Monday is my birthday. And so Chase's birthday is the end of March. Kelly's is in the middle. Mine's at the end.
2 weeks.
Yeah,
2 weeks.
So we get lots of cake all the time. Happy birthday again. Thank you for coming to the track and helping. Randy's over here just changing the oil in this thing. Randy, what are you doing? Are you having fun?
Yes, we're making sure that our little piece is locked on tight so it don't fall.
That has happened.
We had that little mishap on mine
A couple times. It's like, oh boy.
It fell all the way in the dry sump tank, and
hard to get it out.
we had to make something to get it out.
The other thing Randy has to be very careful of, now this is Schaefer's 20W50. He's also making sure that all these have tops. The safety ring is clicked on it because I like to reuse bottles. Sometimes that Schaefer 50 weight oil might have transmission fluid in it. Sometimes it might have used motor oil in it. Sometimes it might have water in it.
I wasn't gonna tell them all that.
Well, I mean, I'm just saying, you just got to be careful what it is, you know, when you're doing it, right, Kelly? You got to take advantage of what it is.
We do that in the house too.
Yes, we never know. We do not properly label anything. So we're going to put some fresh oil in it. The oil, like I said, it was a little contaminated, but it wasn't terrible. I was going to try to find it, but I don't know where the container is. Oh, we put it up. Oh, we already cleaned it. Oh, okay. So it wasn't too bad. But there's a lot of people coming in. We're a little early. What time is it now? 10 o'clock? So a lot of people are still asleep. A lot of people have not gotten up yet. But we went to Bojangles and got us some food. And the crowd is starting to come in. General admission, I think, opens at... Good morning. I think general admission opens at 1. So these are like the VIP people. NPK Virginia, small tire. We done really well last night. Got down to 4 cars. Tire shook. So we had a lot of tire shake happening. So we're going to probably stretch out the ramp, make some shock adjustments, and see if we can make this thing better. Take it, warm it up.
hell they gonna think of next?
A car umbrella. I bought this last year. This is what we're going to use when it's hot. So like when we're in the staging lanes.
It's like such a nice holder.
Yes. Isn't that What? Hey guys, so it's starting to drizzle rain a little bit, but we bought this tent last year. I was baking in the car, in the old Mustang, and so I decided I was gonna have me a pit umbrella, and so I got one. Pretty cool. It's automatic, and it stores in like just a regular. It's about 2 foot tall, 3 foot tall, and we're gonna have it in the smart car. Randy, what do you think about my umbrella?
Definitely unique.
So Randy has an all-star professional version.
No.
That it's like a cover. It keeps the.
Oh, I do, don't I?
Yes,
Yeah.
you do, but you don't put it on in the pits, which you could. I mean, not.
we do.
I mean, in the staging lanes.
Yeah, we did once.
You use it in the pits. But remember the time last year in that car, and I was in the staging lane somewhere. It was 105 degrees outside.
Yeah.
I had all my fire gear on, and we got stuck.
Yeah, somebody stopped in front of us.
Yeah, I got blazing hot, and I was like, something's got to change. And so Randy's thing is a good option, but I wanted something that was I could still see, and so I got an umbrella. My car has an umbrella. My Saturn has an umbrella, Randy.
Yeah, that's awesome.
It's different. And so it's drizzling rain a little bit now, so I was like, okay, well, that's a perfect time to do that because Kelly's got the tents set up here with our shirts and stuff. So that is pretty funny. It is. So if you see me at the track with my umbrella, y'all mind y'all's business. All right, Kelly's got her a new toy here too in the back of the trailer. What is this thing?
This is an electronic air fry, bake, roast, grill, all kinds of stuff.
It does it all.
It does it all.
We'll see how much
So-
power it pulls. We got it plugged into the trailer here.
I know. I'm
It should
not
be fine
sure.
though, and like the generator's running on the RV up there, so it's just pulling through that. It's all electronic.
Grill. How do I grill?
Oh, that.
I like it.
Okay, she got to learn how to use it, but we're gonna have some hot
Read the
dogs.
instructions.
All right, guys, this wheel is about to be gone as well. All right, guys, there's only a few days left to get entered to win this wheel. You need to go to TurboJohnRacing.com to grab yourself one of these turbos to get entered. We're drawing for that thing, so hopefully you got a keychain. If you didn't, you're getting entered. Check this out too, guys. What's your YouTube channel?
V8 Velocity Racing.
If y'all don't follow him, he is live streaming all of the NPK stuff. Doing a great job. Awesome from the stands. V8 Velocity, go check him out. Subscribe to his channel. He's got all the small tire content, all the big tire content. And are you going to try to follow him all season?
As much as my job will let me.
Right. He's still got a full-time job. He's like us. He's got the YouTube channel, streaming a bunch. But he is checking them out. Check him out, guys. Appreciate it. All right, guys, here we go. We are going to the driver's meeting. Driver's meeting's at 1:20. You can see there's substantially more people out here now. The general admission gates just opened, so we got to get up here and get to the driver's meeting. And then hopefully we'll have maybe 20 or 25 cars, $5,000 today, $100 entry fee. You can't beat that. That is a deal. So we'll see how it goes. Our car is moderately fast. We can go some rounds if we don't screw it up, and we get lucky and don't draw the bears initially. So here we go. Let's go, guys. small tire. So there's our first 2 pair. We are the last pair today. So we got a little bit of time. There's some hitters out here. Fast cars, fast cars. It's gonna be a good time, good day of racing. We're behind the blackjack guys up here. Blackjack racing at the back. There's a lot of cars. 16 cars, $5,000. Can't beat that $100 entry fee. Oh boy. Y'all too, be careful. What's up, what's up?
Let me get a shout out.
Eugene Fox. We raced him 2 years ago. Nice car, fast car. Chris Rankin and these guys over here racing our buddies blackjack racing. And then we the last ones. What you think, Glenn?
We're ready.
Let's go. Rockin' Rob on radials. Nitrous car. Let's go. won by like 4 car lengths. 4. That's what it saw. That's what I saw.
You actually got the Saturn working?
I got a win! But I won! All right, guys. Well, that pass did not really work out as good as we had hoped. Took off, went reasonably fast. Well, 124.6. Slowed down a little bit. I got some timing retard in it. We might take that back out. But down track, I had it hot, but I had the ramp stretched out, and it did not take it at all. So we're gonna see where it spun at, and then make an adjustment. I mean, we just gotta get down. I mean, right now we can't even make it down under power. Other cars are making it down under power. I don't know if maybe I'm just trying to go way too fast versus what the car is capable. I mean, my tires they got a lot of passes on them. They probably got 20 passes on them, 25 passes on them. So realistically, we're out of tire. Still a lot of dot on them, but they're just done. So yeah, let's make some changes, see if we can go a little bit further.